Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're here on another adventure. Here we're exploring another cave, deep cave in San Francisco, Praia, Cape Verde. Here they call Lazaro's Cave, the Gruta Lázaro. And to get here is like 15 minutes from the capital, Praia, Santiago. Came all the way here and we wanted to explore and check it out. There's a say that they said that when this guy used to steal treasures from the old colony kingdoms, and he used to bring all the way down here and deep in this cave to hide it. I'm not here for the treasures, but I just want to explore and check it out with my eyes how beautiful this place is, and so far this place is magical. Stay tuned, we're gonna explore a little bit more.
You know you're in the countryside when you see folks. This is amazing.
Dragons?
Huh?
Little dragons?
Yeah.
Try to move that lever to make sure that it's
That's.
stable.
Yeah, it's heavy though.
Oh.
But it's quite a thing. Alright. We're snowboard baby.
This is easy.
Won't say it's easy, but it's easy. Schmeezy. Wow. And the stairs is very stable. Don't let that person holding the camera scare you. You can hold here, and it's very inclined to the ground, so here we come. So I can help you. Oh, you good? Make you scared. No spiders, no dragons, no skeleton yet. Yeah, there is a big gaps, so be careful.
Bye.